Morning, all of you. Hope you all are fine, beta. I hope you are clear with the rules of narrations. We did simple one in the last class. Let's have a quick revision in sentences form. Change the following into indirect speech. They said we have lost the game. See beta, they said agar said ka said rahega, and we will remove inverted commas over there, and then we will put the conjunction that. So who said they? We will change into they. They has have is changed into had. Lost is the third form, of course. They had lost the game. Full stop, and the commas will be removed. Okay, next sentence. Salma said to the student, "You have not prepared your lessons well." Salma told the student that he, because student can be he or she, you can put anything, any noun over here, any pronoun over here, that he has have is changed into had not prepared. If you are putting he beta, then you are supposed to write his. Okay, and if you are writing she, then write her. His lessons well. Full stop. The boy said to me, "I was well yesterday." The boy told me that he was this changed into had been. Had been well. Yesterday is changed into the previous day. Okay, full stop. The man said to me, "I was seriously ill." The man told me that he had been seriously ill. Full stop. He said to me, "I was rather sick yesterday, but I am well now." He told me that he had been rather sick the previous day, but he was well then. Now is changed into then, full stop. The girl said, "I was absent yesterday." The girl said that she had been, was changed into had been absent the previous day. He said they were ill, was is changed into had been na. He said that they will remain same unchanged, that they had been ill. Rahim said, "I went there yesterday." Rahim said that he had gone. Went ki beta went is second form, and second form is also changed into had plus V3. There we will come there only, we will not change here only. बेटा अगर यहाँ पे हेयर होता तो हम देयर में चेंज करते हैं इनडायरेक्ट में, बट अगर आपको डायरेक्ट स्पीच में देयर दिया हुआ तो इट विल रिमेन अनचेंज. yesterday क्या होगा? The previous day, as I have told you earlier also. Now, let's practice more. Mati said, I met him long ago." Mati said that she, Mati said he had met him long before. Okay, ago is changed into before. Rita said, "I ate my meals." Rita said that she had eaten her meals. Full stop. You said to me, "I did not take your pen." You told me that you did not change into had not taken my pen. Full stop. He said to me, he was doing the work with me. He told me that he had been doing the work with him. Okay. Ali said to Basir, "I was suffering from fever." Ali told Basir that he had been suffering from fever. The boy said, "I shall begin the work tomorrow." The boy said that he would begin. बेटा would आ गया. अब जहाँ पे would will would आ जाए, वहाँ हम कौन सी फॉर्म लगाते हैं वर्ब की? We put verb one with it. Okay, that's why it's begin only. The boy said that he would begin the work the next day. The following day भी आप use कर सकते हैं. It's your wish. Masood said, "I shall go to the Rasai tomorrow morning." Masood said that he would go. Again, it is would. Shall, will, shall change into would basically. Okay, so with would we use first form. He would go to Rasai. Then tomorrow किस में change होगा बेटा? The next morning में. Okay. Now let's practice more. Further, father said, "I shall buy you a pen tomorrow." Father said that he, shall is changed into would. He would buy me a pen the next day या the following day. आपकी विश है बेटा ये. फादर ने ऑफकोर्स मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं तो वो मुझे लेके देंगे पेन ना. Hassan said, I shall draw a picture. Hassan said that he would draw a picture, full stop. The girl said, my father will help me. The girl said that her father would help her. गर्ल इज शी ऑफ कोर्स है ना. तो बेटा हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ करेंगे, हर. माई फादर सेड टू मी, यू मे डू वॉट एवर यू लाइक. माई फादर टोल्ड मी दैट आई मे चेंज इन टू माइट. माइट बेटा जितने भी मॉडल्स हैं उनके साथ हम वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे. आई माइट डू वॉट एवर आई लाइक. First form is changed into second form. Okay, full stop. The teacher said 12 months make a year. It's a fact also. The teacher said that 12 months make a year. बेटा यहाँ पे हम मेड अ ईयर नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि ये क्या है, जनरल फैक्ट है जिसको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. एंड आई टोल्ड यू वेन एवर यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ और जनरल ट्रुथ्स आर देयर यू डू नॉट चेंज टेंस. Okay, I said to my daughter, 2 and 3 make 5. I told my daughter that 2 and 3 make 5. Again, it is a general fact, you cannot change it. They said 3 into 3 is 9. They said that 3 into 3 is 9. It's again a general fact. Father said contentment is the source of all happiness. It is also general truth. Father said that contentment is the source of all happiness. So whenever general truths, scientific truths or habitual actions are talked about, we do not change tense. Now, change the following into indirect speech. The teacher said coal is black. It is a general truth. The teacher said that coal is black. The teacher said the earth is round. The teacher said that earth is round. We know it. The teacher said the earth moves round the sun. It's also a common fact. The teacher said that the earth moves round the sun. The teacher said the sun gives us light and heat. It is again true. General truth. The teacher said that the sun gives us light and heat. The teacher said necessity knows no law. Again, it's general truth. The teacher said that necessity knows no law. Keats said, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Again, it's you can say saying of someone or general truth. So Keats said that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. And beta, in general truth, scientific facts or habitual actions, remove comma and use the conjunction that. The rest of the sentence will remain same. Okay. Yes, beta. Practice these sentences in your fair notebook of English B. I will catch you later with the new next rules of narrations in the next class. Till then, revise these rules. Goodbye.